Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to pull data from another sheet in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Smartsheet, you can continue signing in with your Google account. You can use your Microsoft account or even Apple account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, if you have related data spread across multiple sheets, pulling it into one sheet can provide a centralized view, making it easier to analyze and work with. By pulling data from various sheets into a single report sheet, you can generate comprehensive reports without manually copying and pasting information. You can discover data from different sheets to calculate totals, averages, or other summary statistics, providing a more comprehensive analysis of the overall data. Because when data changes in the source sheets, the pulled data in the target sheet is automatically updated, ensuring that your reports reflects the latest information. Now, for us to be able to pull data from another sheet, we need to go to the left side panel of our dashboard and click on Create New. And from here, we're just gonna rename this as something like this one. Just wait for a little bit while it's loading up. Now, it's a little bit tricky at first, but you would be able to do it easily the next time. Now, say for example, this is the worksheet that you are trying to work with, right? You need to input some search value here, right? So just follow along. You need to type in something like equals, and then VLOOKUP. As you can see, it's already of course, you need to put some this one. Hold on. Okay, that's gonna be this one. And then search value underscore. There you go. It's already here, so you can reference another sheet. And as you can see, the summary looks up a value and returns a corresponding value in the same row but a different column. As you can see, the arguments that the value to search for, which must be in the first column of lookup table. Now, once you do that, what will happen is, now let's try to search for it. Now here, you can reference another sheet. Maybe this one. Just wait for a little bit. There you go. Now, you can control access to different sheets based on user permissions, ensuring that sensitive data remains secure while still allowing authorized users to access and analyze relevant information. And as you can see, pulling data from multiple sheets right here allows you to scale your solution as your data and reporting needs to grow without the need for manual intervention or restructuring of your workflows. And when you click this one, say for example, we're going to be using this one, insert reference. Now you can create a custom views of your data by pulling specific information from different sheets. Now that means you can tailor the view to meet the needs of different users or use cases. Because as I've said earlier, sharing a single sheet that pulls data from various sources can facilitate collaboration by providing all stakeholders with access to the most updated information in one place, right? Now, once again, you can always go to this one right here and pull some data if it's not working for you. Maybe we're gonna use this one right here. Or what about this one? We'll use this one instead. But as you can see, once you've inserted the reference, that's it. Basically, it's a straightforward process of pulling data from another sheet in Smartsheet platform. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.